Hi, friends. It's Tanya Parkin. I'm the on-site instructional curriculum coordinator for Lomitas Elementary School in Victor Elementary School District. I'm here to share with you another one of my favorite online sites. It's called Storyline Online, and you can see that up here in the left-hand corner, and the address is storylineonline.net. You get to Storyline Online. What I'd like to just do is feature a little bit about what it is. So basically, a Storyline Online is an online website where famous actors and other famous Hollywood personalities read books out loud to children. It's available 24/7 and it's totally free. Of course, there is an option to donate if you would like, but not required. And so I wanted to feature a couple of pieces of this website to show you how it can be used at home with your own children. When you click here on the All Books site, everything is listed alphabetically. So you could search for one of your favorite books. One of my favorite books is called The Empty Pot. And when you search for The Empty Pot, you see it pops up here. It's written by Demi. And in this case, it's read by Rami Malek. And so you can click on the book itself. You can read it, watch it right within, we'll just use YouTube. You can watch it right within the browser itself, and then just click play, and it begins the story. So it has captioning, it has lots of other support pieces. You can turn the captioning on or off. And then there's also a teacher's guide here, which is great for parents or teachers that provides you with some other activities and things that you can do. A little bit of an overview if you've never read it, and just some ideas, some basic Common Core standards, how you can ask some questions during the viewing, which I love. So you can play a little bit and then pause and ask some of these questions, and then play it a little bit more, pause, ask some questions. And then after you're finished viewing, here are some activities and some other things that you could do with your students or have your students do. Furthermore, you could have them do some sort of reading response and do some sort of writing assignment that goes along with it. And so there's a lot of cross-curricular activities here. Of course, you can imagine The Empty Pot, it was about a seed. So there's some science connections here as well. Math connections, social studies, art, so many different ways that you can take a single book, have it read to your students at home, and then extend the time and the learning with the activity guide that goes along with it. When you are on the home page, you can see that it's separated by March featured videos. There's two slides of those. These are ones that have just been added. My Empty Pot is one of the new ones. And then here's a list of all books. You can see here by all of these little orange dots, there are quite a few pages when you look through all of the books. And I know, for example, Harry the Dirty Dog is being read by Betty White. Who wouldn't love that? The Hula Hoopin' Queen, read by Oprah Winfrey. Garbage Barge, read by Justin Theroux. So many popular Hollywood personalities are supporting this site. I just wanted to do a quick little overview of it and highlight some of its pieces and ways that you can use it with your students at home and in the classroom as well. I hope you enjoy Storyline Online. Stay well, keep reading, and keep smiling, friends. We will see you soon.